What if one simple fruit before bed could improve your sleep? Tonight, we're uncovering 12 hidden benefits of eating pomegranate overnight. It's rich in antioxidants that help fight inflammation while you rest. Before you sleep tonight, try a small bowl of pomegranate. It may support natural melatonin, helping you fall asleep faster and sleep deeper. It can help lower nighttime cortisol, reducing stress and anxiety before bed. Better sleep supports heart health, healthy blood pressure, and even fat metabolism. Vitamin C helps support skin repair and collagen production overnight. Small habit, big nighttime benefits. Try it tonight. Comment down if you're starting tonight.